Do you want to learn beauty retouching? If your answer is yes, you are in the best place to be. Retouching beauty images had always been a huge challenge for photographers and retouchers. I made this course to introduce you non-destructive ways of retouching that will allow you to retouch fast and effective. I am Marcin Mikus and I am a professional retoucher with 6 years of experience in the field. I specialize in fashion, beauty and commercial retouching. Choosing me as your teacher can guarantee that you will get professional knowledge and practice from the real industry expert. In this course, I cover up all of the important subjects of retouching such as raw processing. I teach you how to process images in such as softwares like Camera Raw, Lightroom or Capture One. In the cleanup section, you will learn such as retouching tools as Healing Brush Tool, Spot Healing Brush Tool, Patch Tool and Clone Stamp Tool. You will know how to clean up background, how to retouch skin, hair, eyes, lips, how to remove fine body hair within seconds, how to fix issues with color and light on the skin, and how to restore skin texture. I will teach you how to create natural nail reflections on the image. I will teach you dodge and burn retouching, the only one non-destructive retouching technique used in Photoshop. You will master contrasts, lights and shadows. I will teach you how to color grade your images and theory behind the color work. And of course, final touch-ups. So, the things you need to do at the end to make sure your image looks perfect. And the best part of this course is that I'm giving you high quality images to practice, taken by amazing fashion and beauty photographer Dominika Jarczyńska, shot in professional studio with professional model and makeup artist. And all of this specially for this course. Except the images, you will get my retouching actions that will be big help in your retouching process and let you get the things done much quicker.